Okay, so quick introduction about myself. I'm Sam from Ahmedabad. I'm working with Silvertouch Technologies Ahmedabad as senior business analyst and pretty much involved in mobile product development in Silvertouch Technologies. So basically, this app is about the village governance application, and this application is just at the concept level. It's not at the development end right now. Okay, so what actually is the idea or the objective behind this application is like there are approximately 2,65,000 gram panchayats till 2013. So basically the gram panchayat, which is the local self institution at the village, which is led by Sarpanch, and this village governance mobile application is gonna bridge the is a bridge between the district collector and the Sarpanch. So what actually, so the idea continues is like when sarpanch of villages are reporting to district collectors, there are the various difficulties that they face. The reports that the projects that they are assigned with, they submit the reports to the district collectors. So either the reports that have submitted by the sarpanch are erroneous or wrong, or they are not accurately aware about the project process. So here the project means like some of the roads developments are going on, or some of the developments that are going on in the villages. So that's what the sarpanch reports to the district collector about the progress of the project assigned to the sarpanch. So maybe the project progress is not being tracked accurately, or sarpanch has to manually connect with the district collector to report about the project progress. And maybe about there's a communication gap regarding the budget of the project. So and it's like the sarpanch is not actually right away knowing about the budget of how much budget they are left with if the project is partially done. So this application is gonna meet all these requirements, and it's gonna provide the solution for the same. So we're gonna skip this because it speaks about the same. Okay, so this is like this app is gonna maintain all the projects that are assigned by district collector to the sarpanch of the village. Okay, so sarpanch is will be able to view all the projects that are assigned to him. Okay, he will be able to view the budget of the project, and he can manage the project real time, and he can see what all the expenses have been made if the project has reached to certain percentage. And he will be able to actually grab the pictures of the project progress and send it to the sarpanch. So the sarpanch and the district collector both will be having the smartphones, and the district collector will be assigning the projects, and sarpanch will be tracking the progress of the project and will be right away sending to the district collector, who will be able to view all the project progress on his smartphone. So he can actually capture the picture, he can geotag the picture of which location the picture has been captured of, and they can send it to the district collector that this is the progress. And they can mark the task or the project task assigned to the sarpanch as completed or running. They can manage the project status as well. And collector can also real time view the project progress. So this is basically very quick architecture, in which on the right hand side we have the person who is assigning the project, district collector, and the left we have the panchayat who is executing the project. So we have the send report and image to the collector. So the project is being executed, they can simply capture the picture and send it to the district collector. And they can also view the schemes that are being launched by the central state government. So right away on the smartphone with a simple internet connectivity, they can view all the schemes that are being that are coming up by the state and the central government. List of the projects, this is very important part. Like if I am a sarpanch, what all projects I am assigned right now, so I can view the list of all the projects assigned to me by district collector. I can manage my own account, I can manage the projects, I can mark the progress of the project, I can mark it as running or completed. I can also manage the budget calculator. So say for instance, district collector has entered that this is the budget for the project. So how much material has been used and what was the expense behind the material. So they can mark the calculator, they can manage the calculator and budget that this much budget is left for the project. So this is again the major module, so we'll be skipping this. Okay, so this is the main screen. We'll be having the project schemes. We can manage the calendar for the events, like if you have the meeting with the district collector or you have the various events in the village, so you can be pre-prepared for that by managing the events in the calendar. And we will be having basic settings for the application. So this is the projects that are assigned to the Sarpanch. So Sarpanch can view the list of the projects that are assigned to him. He can view the project name, project number, which is basically generated from the backend. So this application will be managed through the backend as well. And he'll be marking the progress. He'll be capturing the live pictures and be uploading the pictures for district collector to view. You can right away view that what is the budget and what is the expense and what is the total expense that is left for the completing the project. Okay, so they can this is like they can add the they can set the budget and they can add the expenses, and it calculates the total expenses. Okay, so this is the schemes schemes by the central and the state government. They can view all the schemes, and by tapping on any of the schemes they can view the details of the schemes coming up for them. And if any new scheme is coming up, they can get the notifications about the schemes. So this is a calculator. They can manage the events, like there has to be some sort of medicine distribution or Gram Panchayat Sabha at what day. They can just manage it into the event calendar. They can basically sync the calendar with their native calendar of the device as well to get the reminders. And they can manage the holidays and everything. Okay, so this application will work on the vernacular languages. So they can set the language from the drop down. Basic application get notification on and off, just a basic settings. Okay, so it's about the some of the challenges that the approximately around 3 lakh active users at the various level of central, state or collective office and sarpanch at the village it has to serve, and implementation at 2,65,000 gram panchayats in 29 states in India, and it will be available in 22 official languages of India, and the 20 different languages is basically difficult for an app to manage. So this will be the basic challenges of the application. Yeah, I'm also done. So this is going to be a very simple application, but totally in short we can say it will be a sort of a project management tool we will be having in a smartphone application, and a big communication a connection between the district collector and the sarpanch. Thank you.